My friend, have you ever felt like life is unchangeable? Listen closely, there's hope. Every day I wake up, I realize there are things I cannot change. I cannot change my past, but I can turn the negatives into positives. I cannot change where I've been, but I can change where I am going. I cannot take away the scars, but I can forgive in my heart. When life feels unchangeable, remember the Almighty One God is more than able. You can change how you love, how you appreciate being alive, and whom you worship. Every day is a chance to grow, trust, and live with purpose. Philippians 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ, which gives me strength. So my friend, if you like this poem, please like, share, comment, and follow for more poetry that uplifts your soul. So life, even though it can feel unchangeable, let faith and love guide us. I hope you found hope in my poetry tonight. God bless you, God loves you, and so do I. Peace.